Right, here we have the Mercedes Sprinter 2.1 313, so it's 3.5 ton, 130 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual transmission on the 2015. If you can look closely, it's come from a company called IWJS. Search them, they're quite a big firm, and they are drainage specialists. This, of course, will machine polish out, as well as the yellow strip down there, so you'll be left with a nice white plain panel van. As Sprinters of this age go, I would say that the bodywork is actually in pretty good condition. A couple of scuffs here and there, a little bit on this side loading door, but not really enough to shout home about. The back doors are actually fantastic. It's been used as a sort of a mobile workshop, mobile office, and on the inside of it, it's got some pretty sophisticated equipment. Whether you'd use it or whether you'd take it out and put it back to a straight panel van, it's completely up to you. We've done an inspection report, which is in the cab. I'll get to that in just a moment. But hopefully you can see this is a pretty good condition Sprinter. Cab's nice and complete. Here you can see we've got a shock absorber that needs to go on, and a sensor here too. I'll just go ahead and grab the inspection report. So the engine management light is on. That was deemed to be a faulty coolant sensor. Near side mirror and indicator, so that needs replacing. This is something we are going to be doing, by the way, guys. So this is just the condition it's in when it's arrived. We plan to get this stuff done. That door lock missing, we've sorted that out. That looks like it's got a tick on there. 130,000 miles, so hasn't really been to the moon yet, but hopefully we'll make it eventually. Hot and cold hand wash, lights, sockets, there's your hand wash power, Eberspacher diesel heater. Now it has got a power inverter on here that works off the engine. So you come up here, you turn this all on, it ramps the revs of the engine up, and then it gives power to the back for all the equipment that this drainage company would have used in the past. Like I said at the start, you could keep this in, you could take it out, you could sell it on, it's all there for the taking. Got some cameras here. How many cameras have we got? Just a couple. That's just on the back door. I do like that feature on the back door actually. It's like a tailgate. Microwave fuse. Cupboards are quite nice quality. In general, it's a nice quality build in the back. So, could be used once again as a mobile office / mobile workshop for sure. Right, well that's going to take more than 15 seconds, so I don't really want to waste your time. But I'm sure there's nothing in there, but I'm sure it's a good quality cupboard. Water tank just down here, you can see a hose there. Generally speaking, quite a clean place. Right. Let's have a look from the back. So there, these doors open, pull these over, bang, that one's free, and then this just comes up like that. Pretty neat. And there is your camera. Tidy, one owner Mercedes Sprinter for sale. Let me know what you guys think.